This is the Grand Velas Resort in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. And this room, I tell you, I'm always telling you how wonderful these rooms are, but this room is gorgeous. Look at this beautiful king-size bed and these gorgeous linens floating in the center of all of this space. This is the mini bar, and everything is included. This is an all-inclusive resort, so that means that the mini bar is included, all the coffee, all the drinks, all the everything. There's trouble in River City because it also has peanut M&Ms in the mini bar, which I never touch, but now they're free. Well, free. They're included, all inclusive. Look at this room, beautiful sitting area, I mean stunning, and then a great little dining table for two. It's a beautiful gift from the manager. Then you come to this private, sexy, romantic terrace with a plunge pool, the ocean, completely private. This beautiful chaise for two. I'm telling you, this is one gorgeous hotel suite in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico.